Hey, it's Vital Vibe Health. Are you tired of feeling drained by the end of the day? Do you struggle to keep up with your daily activities because of low energy? Well, today I'm going to share how you can boost your energy naturally and start feeling better in no time. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about what might be causing your low energy. It's not always about lack of sleep or stress. Often it comes down to cellular health. If your cells aren't functioning properly, your body can't produce enough energy, which leads to that constant feeling of exhaustion. This is where Mitolyn comes in. It's designed to support healthy metabolism and improve cellular function, helping your body produce more energy naturally. No artificial stimulants, just a natural approach to boost your vitality. Mitolyn isn't just about boosting energy temporarily, it works to heal your cells from the inside so your body can function better long-term. If you're ready to take control of your energy and start feeling your best, I've got a special link down below where you can learn more about Mitolyn and how it can help you. Check it out and start your journey to better health today. Thanks for watching today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on living a healthier, more energetic life. And remember, your energy is in your hands.